Hi, my name is Bianca Ross and I do HR and recruiting at P1 Industries. Today we want to show you what it's like to be a machinist. If you are someone who likes to take things apart and put them back together, or you like to work on cars or motorcycles, then this could be a perfect career for you. We are going to show you what it's like, and Joel is going to take over.
Hello, my name is Joel Lake. I'm a New York State certified journeyman tool and die maker. I'm an instructor at the local community college, and I'm a founder member of P1 Industries. And I want to show you how we can take a piece of raw material and turn it into one of these. If you have an interest in how things are made and you like working with your hands and technology, you can come to P1 and we can put you on a career path which involves working with a trained mentor and education at the local community college. I'd like to introduce you to one of our top machinists at P1, Lauren Conbeer. He's a former student of mine and now he excels at 5-axis machining. And he's going to talk us through some of the processes where he can take a raw piece of material to a finished product.
Hi, my name is Lauren Conbeer. I'm a machinist here at Package 1 Industries in Schenectady, New York. I have been a machinist now for 7 years, and in this field of work I have found a rewarding career that I love. I get to work with my hands and use cutting-edge technology to make parts for all industries across the United States. A typical day in the life of a machinist involves coming in the morning, looking over my production schedule for the day to see what I have to get done. I'm responsible for programming and manufacturing the parts on the machine you see behind me, as well as verifying and checking using gauges and measuring devices. Typically we take our piece of raw material, whether that be stainless steel or aluminum, and we program the finished part that we're after based on the blueprints we're given by the customer. And that raw material gets turned into a part that looks something like this. The thing I find most meaningful about being a machinist is knowing that the parts I make contribute to our society through supporting our national defense as well as providing energy for millions of homes across America. Like some of you, when I was in high school, I didn't even know manufacturing careers existed, but I am very glad that I chose this as my career path. It's been very rewarding, and it's been a way that I can provide for my family.
Hopefully we've answered any questions that you may have had about being a machinist, and we gave you a little look into the life of a machinist at P1.
Now that you have an idea what it's like to be a machinist, we'd love to have you come and take a look at one of our shops. We have 3 different locations across Schenectady with many different roles to offer. If you're interested in an internship, job shadowing, or potentially learning how to become a machinist, taking part of our training program called Pathways, in which you come and learn how to be a machinist at the same time as taking courses in manufacturing at HVCC, we would love to talk with you. Feel free to contact me at any time, and I hope to talk to you soon.